Pocket Preschool.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Grace and today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw Shrek. So let's get started. So first what you're going to do is we're going to do a small curve on the top of his head. So we're going to start here and end about here. You want to leave some room so that way you can have some space for his ears. So we're going to go ahead and draw a U. It's kind of going to be a wider U, so it's going to be bigger at the bottom and smaller at the top. So let's just go ahead and draw that. Okay, just like that. This is what it should look like. So you see in between these 2 points you have some space for his ears, so that way when we draw him later, you have some room. That way you don't have to erase anything. So let's just go ahead and draw his ears now. So it's going to be kind of like a rectangle, but then it points outwards. So you just want to go ahead and draw one line here and one line here. And it should look like this. So it's kind of like a rectangle shape, but they point outwards at the end. So let's just go ahead and connect these 2 points, just like that. And let's go ahead and draw his other ear. So like the same thing, it's going to kind of be a rectangle shape, but they point outwards at the end. Okay, just like that. And let's go ahead and connect those 2 points. Just like that. And then let's go ahead and give him a little detail so you can see the inside of his ear. So let's just do one, kind of like a C shape. You want to draw 2 C's. So you got that C. And then let's just go ahead and draw his face. So we're going to start off with his nose. So it's just going to be one curve for the bridge of his nose. So just like that. And then you're going to draw another curve for the top of his nose, just like that. Then we're going to draw his nostrils, and it's just going to be a C shape. So we're going to do 2 more C's, just like that. And then this is kind of tricky, so it's going to look like just kind of a hump, so it's going to be like one hump, and you come back up, just like that. It's kind of tricky, so I'll just let you, I'll just pause for a minute, that way you can follow that. Okay, and then next we're going to draw his eyebrows. So we're going to draw some bushy eyebrows, so it's just going to be some, just making bushy and all that. And then we'll just connect that with the straight line, just like that. We'll go ahead and draw the other one, so let's just give him some more bushy eyebrows. Just like that. And I like to add 2 lines right here at the end of his eyebrows just to give it some more character, as you would say. And then let's just go ahead and draw his eyes. So the eyes are a little tricky, but we can get through this together. So it's just going to be 2 football shapes. So it's just going to be one football shape, just like that. Let's just go ahead and draw the other one. And then one more football shape. So you got these 2 footballs. And then let's just go draw the insides of his eyes. So it's just going to be 2 circles. Just like that. And then we're going to draw the highlight of his eyes. So it's just going to be a really small circle. So it's just going to be a circle here and a circle here. Just like that. And then we're going to draw just kind of a slightly bigger circle than the highlight, not too big, for the pupil of his eye. So we're just going to go ahead and color that in. Just like that. And then next we're going to draw his smile. So this is also pretty fun. So we're just going to do one curve for the top of his smile. So this is where the top of it. And then we'll go ahead and draw the bottom. It's just going to be kind of a wider U. Just like that. And then next we're going to draw his teeth. So it's just going to be we're going to draw each groove. So it's just going to be a bunch of squares put together. So we're going to start at the left side of his mouth. We're going to do one hump, another hump, another hump. Just keep doing that till you reach the other side of his mouth. Just like that. And then next we're going to draw his tongue. So it's just going to be one half circle like that. And then if you want, you can go ahead and color in his mouth. I'm just going to go ahead and color it. That way you can see the teeth better. So just give me one moment while I color this in. Okay, just like that. That's how you draw his mouth. And then next we're going to add a little bit of detail to his face. So it's just going to be like the wrinkles in his face. So we're just going to draw 2 lines right under his nose, like that. And then next we're going to do a squiggly line, kind of. We're going to do one squiggle here. It kind of looks like a snake. We want to draw 2 little snakes on the sides of his face. So we got 2 snakes. And then next we're going to draw kind of like half of his body from like his shoulders up. So we're just going to draw 1 line here and 1 line here, just out like pointing outwards of this, the side of his face. And then next we're going to draw another U for his shoulders, just like that. And then next we're going to draw like kind of his vest. So we're going to do 1 straight line and then kind of like a V shape. So it's like going to point up a little bit. So we're going to go down and point up. And then it should look like that. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve down, just like that. And let's go ahead and draw the other side as well. So same thing, we're going to kind of point up, point down, then a curve for his vest, just like that. Then we're going to draw just his shoulder, get like the kind of his shoulder area. Just 1 line, another line, just like that. And then next we're going to draw like the kind of like the rest of his vest. So I'm going to start from this point here and we're going to go down, just like that. And then we're going to just go ahead and do a straight line here. And we'll do the same thing to the other side too. Just like that. And then next we're going to do the holes of his vest. So like there's a little tie on this shirt. So we're going to draw that tie. So first we're going to draw a C, like kind of a backwards C. And then we're going to draw a regular C on the other one. Just like that. And then we'll draw 2 circles for the other hole of his vest. And then this is a pretty easy part. We're just going to do like the tie. So we're just going to do here. You can make it nice and thick. And then we're going to do 2 lines pointing down to make the ends of his tie. Just like that. And then I'm going to give him a little more detail on his vest. So we're just going to do 1 line here, 1 line here. All right, and that's how you draw Shrek. So I'm going to go ahead and color it. You can feel free to draw it as how you want. So I'm just going to take a minute. I'm just going to stick to the standard colors of how Shrek is, and we'll see you in a minute. Alright, and this is our finished drawing of Shrek. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys were creative with it. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.